civil danger warning for Las Vegas and Clark County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Police Department. The BFDI zombie attack from Los Angeles has spread in the Las Vegas area, and now they are infecting civilians to turn into zombies. The cause of the situation is unknown at this time. Either shelter in place or evacuate. Bring supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. If you have more information on these BFDI zombies, call 911 immediately.
You ruined everything! And now it's time to die. Any last words, Gru?
You know what? I got 2 words for you.
Dance fight. Oh, it is on like Donkey Kong.